Hi, Brant and Mike here from Pneumatic North America. We're going to take some time this morning to go over our Pneumatic Impulse tool line. These tools come in an inline version, a pistol version like Mike has, as well as an angle head version. The tools also come in a slip clutch as well as an auto stop clutch version.
The torque range on these tools go from 4 foot-pounds to about 200 foot-pounds. They're very, very light, and the counter force on these tools are very low, so they will not twist the operator's hand when they're in use. Choosing one of these tools, your application torque range should be in the middle of the tool. So if you're looking for 45 foot-pounds, make sure that the 45 foot-pounds is in the middle of the range of this tool. The reason you need to do that is because the tool is filled with hydraulic fluid that will wear out much quicker if you're at the higher end of the torque. The hydraulic fluid in general needs to be changed once a year. You can send it to us or someone local to you to have that done.
The torque on these impulse tools is very easily adjustable using the provided hand tools in the box. It's also protected from any operator being able to alter the torque while on the operating line. You simply remove the set screw at the tip of the driver, place that aside, grab your screwdriver. Clockwise is to increase torque, counterclockwise is to decrease torque. After your torque is set to the desired torque, replace the screw, and you're good to operate. So before we go over the operation of this tool, I wanted to touch on a couple more points about the maintenance program. Daily, there should be some pneumatic tool oil dropped directly into the inlet of the tool to help lubricate all of the internal moving parts. I also want to reiterate the fact that these tools need to be sent in roughly once a year to have their oil changed. If you're using the tool at the top end of the torque range, this is going to be closer to the 6-month or 8-month range. If you're using it towards the bottom, you will get the full year out of the tool. And again, this has to do with the hydraulic oil breakdown inside the tool. If the tool is used too long after the oil is broken down, it will actually begin to lose torque output and you won't see the consistent torque output from your tool.
When hooking up these tools, they use a standard 1/4 inch air hose. They should be run at 90 psi. And we're about ready to show you this thing running. Want to plug it in, Brent?
Absolutely. So as Mike stated before, these tools are very quiet compared to an impact tool. You'll notice this slip clutch tool, as I hold the trigger down, it's going to continue to impulse the bolt we have here.
And Brent, if this was a shut-off screw, it would actually shut off after 2 or 3 of these impulses, right?
Correct. As soon as the tool comes up to torque, the driver will shut off and the operator is ready to move on to the next bolt.
Let's see that again. It's not very loud at all, is it?
Not very loud.
All right. If you want more information on these tools, give us a call at Pneumatic North America.